Welcome to our Velosio Insights demo. We've developed Velosio Insights to help our clients better visualize and utilize their Business Central data with Power BI through pre-built report packs. We'll start in our Power BI service workspace. By clicking on the Sales Insights for Business Central option, you'll get instant access to a set of pre-built reports that we've created to give you various looks at your sales data from Business Central. In the Sales Summary section, you can see your sales at a high level, as well as in an interactive, visual format. You can select multiple dimensions to access the data you want to see. Since this is interactive, the data on the right will change as different dimensions are selected. Did you just see how the dashboard changed with that selection? If not, you can click the back button to see the difference. If you want to dig deeper into your data, there's a report here for your items, all within the same report pack. In the item section, you will have the information you need, such as sales in the prior year, sales, and sales to date. This is also interactive. If I make any changes, the data shown will adjust accordingly. Now that you've seen the data, let's run an analysis on it in the top items area. This is one thing Power BI is particularly good at. Let's say I'm interested in the top 5 items being sold out of my inventory. I can select it right here. Now let's say I'm not only interested in those top 5 items, but also the top items based on the value of the sale. I can select that here. Of course, you can also filter by month and year and watch the visualization change accordingly. With this information at your fingertips, you're able to spot trends for your business. Let's take it one step deeper with the Trend Visual section. You can select certain measures here and see your trends over time, such as total sales versus sales costs. Want to see it as a pivot table instead? You can do that in the Matrix Visual section. Just as with other views we've seen, you have the ability to add or remove what you want to see in your pivot table. We have all the dimensions already set for you. You just choose what you want to see. This includes the columns that show on your pivot table. Now that you've seen the visual experience within Power BI, let's look at financial reports. Financial reports give you real-time insights into your financial data in a very dynamic way. We have built 20 reports that are part of this pre-built report pack. Let's take a look at a few, starting with Income Statement Same Period Last Year Report. This will show you your income statement. This is all based on Business Central and shows you the variance. With the ability to dynamically select by dimensions, it's a totally different experience than a static report. Now let's say you want to analyze your assets. You can easily switch over to the pre-built report created for this. This whole report is showing activity on your general ledger, only around assets that you've built out, all in a dynamic way. Lastly, let's look at our gross profit and net profit in this visualization. With the dimensions that are built into this report pack, you can select certain periods, certain months, certain years, or certain account categories, and visually view all your data. Interested in learning more about how you can enhance your Business Central experience with Power BI? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.